Okay, so we are walking towards the visitor center. I'm guessing it's that big coppery building there. And we're checking stuff out here. Wow, look at that. All right, babe, let's hop over and we'll just walk down, right? This dam was about 3 times the size of the Hoover Dam that we looked at earlier. Here's Kelsey's palm trees. She's excited about palm trees. Are you excited, hon?
No.
No? Are you sure? I think you should be excited.
Not like palm trees.
Why not?
I just don't.
What? Okay.
Stupid example of vegetation.
Huh?
Stupid example of vegetation.
A stupid example of vegetation? Palm trees are great. I don't know what you're talking about. So we're gonna go in here and see if they have a bathroom. Because I have to pee. So does Kelsey.
Do we have to go down?
Let's go across and see what
Well,
happens.
can we get in?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Oh, I guess there's an entry.
Yeah, there's a... We'll see. Oh, check these guys out. Got wings. That's pretty cool. Oh boy. Staff parking only. I'm gonna cross the road here. Thank you. All right.
Do not enter.
Well, shit.
You don't read very well.
You don't read very well. Looks like we have to go around. Danger. Keep off.
Sweetie, I have
All right. Let's walk over to the